Time for Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and I'm pleased to share that my new cryptocurrency mining PC is up and running. So I've been working on this computer and showing the process. This is based on a bill of materials from my friend Adam, who's a computer engineer, and he recommended a basic set of materials that would be under $250 to build a modern mining PC. Not counting the cost of the GPU, which is here and which I had already. So I basically upgraded and built from scratch my whole system. I've got an AMD processor, I've got a fairly basic Gigabyte Mobo in there. This is actually one I had before, an EVGA Platinum power supply. And I've got the whole bill of materials laid out elsewhere in a separate video, but it's under $250, including this nice Rosewill case. That's my GeForce GTX 1070 graphics card on here, which is the main card that this is basically just a wrapper around. And I've got Windows installed on this now, so the PC works. You can see it's operating. And I've got my NiceHash miner running here, and really easy one-click software to do mining. You can see my profitability here is $2.75 per day. Basically all of that, even though it says I have two devices, really all of that is coming from the NVIDIA GTX 1070. So you can see that's running at full load. It's about 82 degrees C right now. And it's accumulating some money there mining. Obviously, that's the gross revenue. As you can check out, I have an article on debugger.medium.com. You can read a lot more about how I'm calculating gross versus how much my profit is based on electrical costs and other things. But yeah, it's still not bad. Almost $100 a month from the mining here as a gross revenue. That'll change based on whatever the current cost and how many people are mining for currencies at the time. Right now, this is actually paid in Bitcoin, but it's probably mining Ether in there. I think so. I can see some of the mining happening in the background. But you can see this is up and running now. So very simple wrapper. I'll try to link to the bill of materials around this 1070. It's doing the actual bulk of the operation. NiceHash is making that really simple. Bill of materials works. The only substitution I made from the original BOM is this has an M2 memory stick that I was going to install Windows on. I don't know if I may have bricked this somehow by mistake or if it's just a bad stick, but I wasn't able to get it working. So I just dropped in a simple SATA drive. You can see here it's not even connected in. Otherwise, just the same basic stuff I put into this Rosewill case. Very cheap, and it's working well. So stay tuned. I'm going to write this all up with the new bill of materials in, likely on Debugger. It'll be somewhere on Medium. And also I'm working on connecting this to solar panels to actually make this into a solar-powered crypto mining computer. So we can break down the power consumption. You can see how much it's able to mine on solar. But for now, there we go. Mining and making a little bit of profit.